Welcome to our eye anatomy journey. In a few seconds, we'll explore the fascinating structures that make up our eyes. The cornea, a transparent dome, guides light into the eye. Behind it, the colorful iris controls the pupil size, adjusting to different lighting conditions. The lens then focuses light onto the retina. The retina. It captures light and transforms it into electrical signals, ready for the brain to interpret. Through the optic nerve, these signals travel to the brain, where the magic happens. The pupil, like a camera aperture, adjusts to regulate the amount of light entering the eye. The sclera, the protective white layer, keeps everything in place. And don't forget the thin, transparent conjunctiva that covers the front surface of the eye. Inside the eye, we have aqueous humor, a clear fluid maintaining healthy eye pressure in the front chamber. The vitreous humor, a gel-like substance, fills the back chamber, providing support and maintaining the eye's shape. And that concludes our brief journey through the wonders of the eye. Remember, it's a beautifully intricate organ that allows us to experience the world around us. Thanks for joining us on Med Explainer. Be sure to subscribe for more exciting medical explorations. Stay curious and keep discovering.